Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be talking today about one of the best additions I have ever bought for the tractor, possibly the best, and that is going to be this Pat's Quick Link that I bought recently. As some of you all have seen in my other videos, I had a Kubota M4800 two-wheel drive without a bucket, and recently a good buddy of mine came across a great deal. And I was able to purchase this 3301 with a bucket and four-wheel drive, so I made the change. But one of the things I wanted to do when I made the change was go ahead and look at getting this Pat's Quick Link. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I absolutely love it, but there's one thing that I want to show you all that I did not know, and I think it's very beneficial to know when buying this, and that is your top link. So when I bought this and I was getting ready to hook up and get going, I turned around and went ahead and put these on, and I thought I was going to be able to go ahead, hook my top link up and get moving fairly quickly. The problem is when you hook this up and you drive this bar through, you've got about 5 or 6 inches. You've got this much more that is added onto your bottom side. Okay, so anything that you hook up, as you can see, this does not, I'm missing it by a good amount. This is rolled completely out. Okay, and I've got it flat on the ground, so it's not going to go further this way. But I was able to pinch it and get it in, but your bush hog sits like this. And so I didn't see anything on the tractor at Pat's when I was buying this that stated that I needed to get another top link. And I'm sure with some tractors you don't. But when I did get on Amazon and I started looking for an extended top link, there's all these people on there on Amazon reviews that say, this worked great with my Pat's top link. This worked great with my Pat's with a top link. And it went on and on and on. So this is not an issue that I'm having. It's an issue that is out there a lot. Sad thing is, nobody's done a YouTube video on it. When I did all my reviews and I looked at all of the guys that were talking with these Pat's top links, or I keep calling them top links, the Quick Connects, everybody loved them, but no one mentioned that. So I know it's not just me because there's a ton of people in the reviews. If I would have known that, I would have bought it early. So as I said, we're going to change this out. I'm going to show you how easy it is. But at the end of the day, it would have been really nice to have bought the top link extended one, have it here, and get going immediately. Because having these put on your tractor and not be able to do what you want to do as a guy or any farmer that loves to work on the farm, I have had to wait a week with Amazon to get it in, so it's in. So here it is. She's a doozy. I have not put the bar through. I've got it right here. I'll hammer that in after I get it set in and everything, but for filming purposes, I want to show you. I'm going to put the link below for this. This works, category 1. So I'm going to come in here, and all I'm going to do is take my pin out. I'm going to wiggle this. I'm going to take this out. As you can see, I'm stretched out as far as I can go on both sides. It just wasn't long enough. Put that down. I'm going to come in here. I'm going to go ahead and put this right in here. We can line it up. See? There we go. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put my pin back in. And that's it. That's basically it. So you can see, I have my piece right here. I'm going to unscrew it just a little bit. It shouldn't have to be much. It's a little tight. And that's going to basically be it. Easiest way to get it done. Now I'm going to be able to adjust this, and when I pick it up, now adjust this to where I want it. Where before I was completely maxed out, this is going to allow my bush hog to be able to be pushed back and float normal instead of it riding more like this. So, very simple fix. I think this was about $35. I'm going to do the link. But I just want to focus on the importance of having this with this Pat's Quick Connect. If you don't have one of these, I don't care what size tractor you have, you can get any. These come in gray, red, orange, green, whatever, if that's important to you. But this is definitely the way to go, no matter what size tractor you have or what type of implements. I will never do without these again. Hope this helps. It's a quick video to just show the importance of having one of these. But if you have any questions or comments about it, feel free to give me a call, give me a message, and we will definitely get with you. Thanks.